The following video is based on the mechanical assembly of the operator and the moving leaves. All electrical components are connected. The ES Pro line has a service mode. During commissioning, the default service mode is set, which hides all CAN bus connected peripherals. The service mode enables the connection of all components before commissioning without influencing or disturbing the commissioning process. Connect the power supply for the system. First plug in the 230 volts, then the battery plug. This must be done within 10 seconds. The control unit runs through a self-test and device recognition. The display shows the actuator type and the firmware used. The large circling O and the A indicate that a search is being made for existing CAN components. The circling O and the P indicate that parameterization is required. Press and hold the right arrow key for more than 3 seconds to enter the parameter menu. 3 parameters are set: the number of door leaves, the power supply unit, and the operator lock. First press the right button twice. The display flashes. The value to be set is selected with the up-down keys. Confirmed with the right key, the display stops flashing. Press the left button to return to the menu. The lower key takes you to the next parameter. Each of the 3 parameters must be selected and the presettings confirmed or changed in order to carry out the commissioning successfully. Exit the parameter menu with the left arrow key. Now the request for the learning cycle is indicated by the small circling O and a 0. Open the door halfway by hand. The learning cycle starts by pressing the down button for more than 3 seconds. With a circling O and a small b, the system moves to the closing position and searches for its 0 position. The locking device is now learned. The door leaf weight is determined. The door moves in the direction of opening and the opening width is determined. After a successful learning cycle, all determined values are saved. The learning cycle is finished. The control unit remains in service mode. This is indicated by the flashing underscore. In service mode, the sensors are not evaluated by the control unit. Now the required driving parameters can be set. In the example, the driving speed in the opening direction is set from 65 cm per second to 70 cm per second. An opening impulse can be triggered by briefly pressing the lower button. The service mode switches off automatically after approximately 10 minutes. By pressing the left button for more than 3 seconds, the service mode can be actively switched off, which can be recognized by the underscore that no longer flashes. The sensors are now active and can be adjusted. Commissioning is now complete.